What is going on, guys? Sirluis here, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys here what you must know before using Gemini, before trading on Gemini and buying crypto on Gemini on the mobile app. Okay, this is very important, and actually if I would have known this, I would have saved a lot of money here, but fortunately I just discovered this, and I just wanted to share with you guys here if you guys have Gemini. And if you still don't have Gemini, I definitely recommend it. It's a great app. I'll leave my referral code in the description below, and you basically get $10 whenever you use it. So one of the things in Gemini in the mobile app, they have the mobile fees, and these mobile fees are huge, guys. Let me just show you it right here on the website. It tells you, so if it's less than $10, if you're buying a crypto, you're gonna pay $1 just for the transaction fee. I mean, that's pretty big compared to other apps out there, right? Now if you're paying $10 but less than 25, you're paying $1.50. Above 25 but less than 50, $2. So as you guys can see, if it's if you're just putting a little bit of money, it's a huge transaction fee. And this is only for the mobile order, and I don't know why they have this, but it's just a fee that they have for the mobile order. So I'm gonna tell you guys what you must do to basically put your fees way less, like in the sense like 35 cents or so. All you gotta do right here is when you buy in the Gemini, you just gotta go on their website. I'm right here on the website. Log in on the website, okay? And then after you log in on the Gemini website, what you got to do is click on account. As you guys can see right here, click on account. Then you're gonna click on settings. And then when you're on the settings, you just scroll all the way down right here. It should say trading interface, Gemini basic. You're gonna switch that to active trader advanced, okay? Click on that, okay? And then you're gonna go back right here to the Gemini exchange. Boom. All right. And then now you want to buy, whenever you buy, okay, you want to buy it here on the website because the fees are just way less. Okay, let me just show you here. For example, here, let's say I wanted to buy let me pick one here, link. Okay, I'm gonna use link here, link to US dollar. So that's the price, it's the current price. Let's say I wanted to buy, let's say it's not even that much, let's say it's one link, right, which is $38. So if we look back at the mobile fees, okay, and it's $38, right? $38 would be right here. You pay $2 if you were to buy that on the mobile fee, $2 worth of the transaction fee. Compared to the website on the active trader, it tells you the fee right here, 13 cents. So as you guys can see, it's a huge difference, $2 to 13 cents. I mean, that's a huge difference. So if you're gonna buy a smaller order like that, just one link, $38 or less, any amount actually, just buy it here on the website, because the fees are, I think it's 0.35%, something like that. You can definitely lower it based on how much you pay and all that, but it's just gonna be a lot less. And this is definitely something I wish I would have known about Gemini before buying on the mobile app, but I just found out, and it's definitely a great thing to know. Because I really thought that was actually the transaction fee for all of Gemini, but now that I know, I'm definitely gonna buy here on the website. And I just wanted to make this video to advise you guys to also do that, because the mobile fees are just very high. So you guys can see, it's a huge difference right here. And let's say if I put 10 link, now you're gonna be trading 390, and the fee is gonna be $1.36. Still not that bad, right, for that amount of money. Definitely not that bad. So you definitely want to trade here on the website on the active trader. And yeah, if you guys have any more questions, leave a comment in the description below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.